It's the most expensive warplane ever built. And still, we can't build anything better. The B-2 Spirit bomber was born in the shadows of the Cold War. But even in 2025, it's untouchable. Shaped like a flying wing, the B-2 doesn't look like any normal aircraft. But that's the point. Its sleek, alien-like frame absorbs radar signals, making it nearly invisible to detection. It can fly 11,000 kilometers, drop nuclear bombs, and disappear before anyone even knows it was there. One mission, one ghost. Designed in the 1980s using technology no one fully understood. The B-2 was too advanced for its own time. So unstable, it needs constant computer correction just to stay airborne. So secret, entire budgets were hidden from the public. Only 21 were ever made, and each one cost more than a space shuttle. New jets came and went, faster, cheaper, smarter. But none could do what the B-2 does, fly across the world. Undetected, carrying the deadliest weapons on Earth. Even the new B-21 Raider, meant to replace it, is still not fully operational, so the B-2 stays in the sky. Over the decades, the B-2 has been quietly upgraded. Modern satellites, smart bombs, digital targeting. From the cockpit to the coding, everything's been rebuilt for a new era. And the few pilots who've flown it, they say it feels less like a machine and more like a living creature. It was designed for a war that never came. But in a world of drones, lasers, and AI, this 30-year-old bomber still leads the pack. Because sometimes you build something so advanced, even the future can't keep up.